अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद जी खुशामदीद जी आया नु पखैर रागले बल्ले कर आया वशत के and welcome to Chicago. So guys, today we are
I'm a student here.
Yes, so you're an Illinois resident? We also have Mysteries of the Marsh, which has our live animals, turtles, snakes, salamanders, that kind of stuff. Second floor is going to have the Butterfly Haven, where you can go in and see live butterflies flying around. Weather to Climate exhibit, the Taxidermy Lab, and the Wilderness Walk. Third floor is just the outside bird walk. And then we have nature trails that kind of wrap around the museum. You can start in the front, or you can go out this way towards the pond.
So I should go that side first, or
Yeah, if you want to start on the first floor, you can definitely go over there. We're having some construction done on the stairs right now. So we have the north stairs, which are all the way at the end of the first floor.
okay, I can find.
Yeah, and then we have the elevator right there.
I can go by the
Yeah.
stairs.
And then we have a map right there. We don't have any disposable maps, but we recommend that people take a picture of it so they can just like keep it with them, you know?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay?
So guys, we just paid our fee. This is not free first of all. यहाँ पे हमें भी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है फीस, like $7.70, like almost $8. और वो हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रही थी कि कहाँ पे क्या है, कहाँ पे क्या है, कहाँ पे क्या है. And you can see the map too. So let's go. This is the closed. They are having some instructions over here. So let's start from here. This river works.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault.
पे बहुत ही कछुओं के टर्टल्स के बच्चे हैं। आई थिंक इसके ऊपर 39 मतलब 30-40 बच्चे हैं शायद यहाँ पे। नहीं, इनके ऊपर डिफरेंट नंबरिंग जो है, किसी के ऊपर M2 लिखा हुआ है, अपने हिसाब से इन्होंने नंबरिंग की हुई है। आई डोंट नो। Rattlesnakes. One is here. And one is where? And one is sitting here. ये देखें, सांप तो देखने वाले यहाँ पे। Here it is. ये शायद इन्होंने रिजर्व किए हुए हैं सांप। I don't know. So, this is the lab जहाँ पे हम नहीं जा सकते, पर यहाँ से तो देख सकते हैं चीज़। simple, bro. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. See, like this, and go maybe. Look over here. This will right there. This will there. This will there. This will here. And it's here. It's here. Fast, fast, bro, fast. I'm just done. This will come here.
I'm reading them too much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, abundant sunlight. Continental and ocean.
Maybe this one will be here.
Cloudy.
Do I have did well? This one maybe here. Where? Oh, it's here. Are you sure? Oh. Yeah, it is. What about this one? The last piece. We did it! You did it actually! Congratulations! I just do it like this. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
गाइस आज हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एनिमल्स देख लिए हैं, मतलब आज से ज़्यादा तो म्यूजियम हमने एक्सप्लोर कर लिया है। और आई प्लीज़ अब हमारे पास बटरफ्लाइज रह गए हैं और कुछ थोड़े बहुत जानवर रह गए हैं जो कि इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंशाल्लाह हम बटरफ्लाइज देखेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा बटरफ्लाइज और उसके साथ कुछ और एनिमल्स। मौला अली का फरमान है कि ज़िंदगी जीने के दो ही रास्ते हैं, भूल जाओ उन्हें जिन्हें तुम माफ़ नहीं कर सकते और माफ़ कर दो उन्हें जिन्हें तुम भुला नहीं सकते। Now do whatever you wanna do man, but don't trouble your mother and father. Allah.